I am Sanjeev Kumar and I recently enrolled with Parker Brent because I heard a lot of good things about the institute, and especially one of my friends already obtained a qualification from there and he referred me here. So I decided to come along with them, and it was really great experience learning with them. Throughout the course, there is a lot of support, especially from Pallavi and Anu Sharma. And our trainer, Pritpal, was really a nice gentleman. He explained everything with precise method in the easy way. Whenever we don't understand any Australian construction standards, they elaborate in very easy manner and with a lot of examples. The qualification of diploma in construction industry, I believe it will really play a good role in my life, and I will achieve career growth, and also I will obtain a good momentum in construction industry, and with all the tips from the trainers, I can grow in my career in construction industry. I'll definitely highly recommend the Parker Brent Institute because with my own experience, some other institute, they're providing the same qualification, but their teaching technique is not very efficient like Parker Brent. Their trainer really helpful to achieve your qualification. So this way, I highly recommend this institute.